Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look as usual in the gold market. Well guys, the gold market is a really important moment has happened last week that gold has reached our long-term support areas 1170 that we have spoken about for recent months or two even. So and this actually was the first step of our long-term trading analysis, long-term trading plan. So first step was the dropping right to 1170. We have chosen this level mostly because we see that large reversal pattern is forming right now on the monthly chart. That's why we suggest you to read the whole research because just to better understand what really is going on, what levels we see right now, and in general what setup we have on the high time frames, because most important setup right now for the gold stands on the monthly and weekly chart. And as first step has been completed, that market has dropped right to 1170 area. Now we need to get just simple thing. So whether market will either confirm the big reversal pattern on the monthly chart or it will refute it. And for that purpose, our task is relatively simple. So we need just to wait and see what will be formed around this area. So market still has some room to breathe, so it's approximately area between 1150, 1170 area, 1170 that where market really could form some patterns. And here we mostly will be watching for reversal, bullish reversal patterns. If market will form something here, that will confirm the possible reversal to the upside, and that will prove the validity of the pattern that we have on the monthly chart. There we have, as you know, the hand shoulders pattern, reversal pattern. At the same time, the recent drop was really fast. It's not really typical for the hand shoulders pattern. In fact, in the last part of the hand shoulders, the bulls should take control over the market. I mean on the reversal hand shoulders. And this recent fast drop is not really a very good sign for this pattern. That's why we should be very careful and wait for the clear patterns that will confirm the possible bullish reversal. If instead market will not form any reversal patterns, if market will drop further, that could lead to the failure of the hand shoulders. And you should understand what will it mean, the collapse of the reversal pattern on the monthly chart. This could be a really big event, and as a result, market could drop even below the 1000 even level. That's why current level is so important for the perspective of the gold market, because it will lead either to the long-term solid bullish trend on the market, or it will lead to total collapse and dropping below the thousands, below the 1000 even market on the gold market. So as you can see, the CD leg of this ABCD pattern very fast. And that's why when the market has hit the 100% target, we said probably market will not stop here and has chances to drop further, either to the 127 extension or even to the 1618. 1618 seems to be too deep currently. This drop will be too significant from the point of view of the patterns that we are watching for. That's why currently we will be focused on this level, because as you can see, here market creates the agreement between the 127 extension of the EBCD pattern and 618 support, major 618 support on the daily chart. It's also on the weekly and monthly charts, 1171. Here we have the agreement by the Jod-Napier framework. It's rather strong support. Since this drop just has stopped, has finished, so market just has reached this level, it's too small time has passed since this happened, and no patterns have been formed yet. The first bulk of patterns that we will be watching for is based on the thrust down. This definitely will be the Jod-Napier reversal patterns. So maybe double repo pattern will be formed here, because all other patterns, as the butterflies, head and shoulders, three drives, they need more time to be formed. That's why the double repo could become the part of some larger pattern or something of that sort. That's why first we will be watching for the Judd Napoli patterns, and after that, if some other patterns will be formed, we will switch to searching for some classical patterns. So that's what we have on the daily chart. On the intraday charts, all this mess could start from, say, minor head and shoulders on the hourly chart. As you can see here, gold market keeps very well the harmonic retracements, and right now this retracement already has been completed by this action. Take a look that this action is rather fast, and it's faster than here and here. And if market will break it up, the value of the harmonic swing, it means that something greater could appear, and that could become the just first sign that is something starting to form here. Currently, we could recognize only the shape of the possible head and shoulders pattern, minor patterns here. Neckline coincides with the weekly pivot point. That's also interesting. But guys, don't try to catch and watch for some bullish reversal patterns on the hourly chart for confirmation of the monthly chart. This is wrong way, because my hourly chart is too small to use it as a confirmation of the monthly patterns. The minimum time frame that you could use for confirmation of the monthly patterns is the daily one. We are interested with the hourly chart just to get the first signs that something could be formed on the hourly chart, or sorry, on the daily chart. So if here we will get something will start to form, in this case we probably will shift later to the daily and we'll start to watch for reversal patterns there. For example, if market will start to work with this head and shoulders, will form some kind of the ABCD, that could lead to a repairing of the double repo buy maybe on the daily chart, something of that sort. But currently, guys, as you can see, nothing has been formed yet. But on the next week, we definitely will be watching for this event, because the result of this, whether monthly pattern will be confirmed or not, this will lead market to really significant consequences. So this will be either long-term bull trend or miserable collapse on the gold market right to the 1000 even market. So this level is very important. That's why we should be extra careful with catching some reversal patterns here.